guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys. If you're just stopping by my channel for the first time, you are welcome. For those that keep coming back, thank you so much. If today is your first time, my name is Eukaria, YouTube name Black and Shine. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on hair wig, gele makeup, vlog, and many other interesting videos you can find in this channel. So you are so welcome to this channel. Feel at home because we have a lot to learn. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful braided wig using expression hair braid. How many pack do you need for this tutorial? You need just 1.5 pack of expression braid. Then another thing you need is a matching thread of any color you want to use, and a cap, needle. The cut I'm using is cut 2. After you pick the hair, remember to pick the small one you saw me with at the beginning of this video, because that is what you are going to use to tag at the front. All you need to do is give 1 inch at the front of the cap, then tag the hairs from the beginning to the end. After that, then you start your braid, as you can see on this video. So guys, after you are done with your braiding, the next step is to arrange the beginning of the braids and sew it from the beginning to the end. As you can see on the screen, all you need to do is bring the beginning together, make sure they are in a straight line, then you sew them. That is all for this stage. So what I have here is 40 pieces of braids. So I went ahead and divided it 20, 20. 20 in one side and 20 in the other side. Then after that, I'm going to collect one from both sides. Then I advise you start at the middle of the cap because this will help you to avoid unnecessary mistake. Then after that, I will go ahead and start my sewing. I'm going to sew in a zigzag form. Make sure your needle is coming from under the braids. You collect small quantity of the cap, then small quantity of the braid. That is how you go until you get to the back of the cap. Then you pick another one. You can go to 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, depending on how best you can manage the sewing. So guys, after tagging the braids, this is the outcome. This is the back. You can decide to make any style of your choice at the back. So it's a thing of choice. Let's work at the front of the wig first. Get yourself any kinky of your choice. You can go to the market, any of the products you love, just get it. It can be a braiding kinky or whichever one you choose to buy. Then the next thing you will do is to remove the cap from the dummy. Then turn the back and place it back. Then start sewing the kinky at the very beginning of the cap, as you can see on the screen. guys, this is what I did here. You just grab the kinky, wrap it from the beginning. As you are wrapping it, you are pushing it frontward. After that, use your needle and thread to run on top of it. That is how I keep doing until I get to the last end where the kinky stopped. Wash and you understand. Fold, fold. When you get to the front, as you are doing this, remember you are pushing it forward. Then you sew it straight for now. So guys, the next stage is to lock the beginning of the kinky, I mean the front. Locking it will help the baby hair to pull out and not fall out. As you are locking it, make sure you are pulling the baby hair out. Anywhere you find that is still loose, go back and lock it again. So how do you lock it? Just place your needle at the front of the kinky. Then make sure you pick one of the braided hair. See it? Place it, then you pick one of the braid. You lock it. Do it from the beginning to the end. At the front where the kinky is. And that is all for this stage. Anywhere you see that the thread is coming out, make sure it is covered. So guys, what I'll do now is to cover the thread you are seeing here. What I'll do is I'm going to pull some hair from the front, then place it on top of the thread and tag it. This time around, I'm tagging it. I'm not sewing straight. I'm just tagging a particular place, then remove my needle. Then that is exactly what I'll do at the back as well. The ones that will lay on top of the braids, going to do the same, tagging it. After that, I will go ahead and trim the kinky. Trim it very flat depending on how you want your own to come out. After trimming it, I will trim the one at the front to make sure everything is equal. So guys, after that, your wig is ready. This is the result. The next thing you will do is to use your hand dryer or scissors to trim your braids to make it look neat and shiny. Then after that, you put it in hot water. Your wig is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you have learned something. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Give me a big thumbs up and drop a comment on the comment section below. If there is any question, be free to ask your question. I'm here to answer to all your questions. So guys, see you on my next tutorial. Bye.